Hello everyone, my name is Amit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So last video we have learned about the add operation, okay, get operation and add operation. So today we will learn about the how to edit and update, how to edit records and how to update. And today also we will learn how to delete records from our table. Okay, so same project we will use. Okay, so before starting our class. So first watch my previous video and subscribe my YouTube channel A and R Technology. Okay, then you can watch all video and you will get a notification for more new video, whatever video I will update in our group, our YouTube channel. So you will get notification, subscribe my YouTube channel and share my YouTube channel. So let's start the coding part. So first I will show you our application, previous application, okay, where we already completed the get operation and add records, get records and add records. So as of now it's showing 0 records in our table. So go to the code db.jsn. As of now in the db.jsn there are 4 records, but the records not displaying because our JSON server is not running. Okay, so we will first start the JSON server. How to start JSON server? JSON hyphen server hyphen watch. What is the file name? db.jsn. So start the server. Okay, server is running and our backend also running. Okay, in another terminal. So refresh the page. Refresh the page. I think there are some errors. First, I will fix the error. What is the error coming? Failed to load data. Okay, okay, fine. I think server is running in 3000 port and our UI also running in 3000. That's why it's giving error. So first we will close the UI server and again start the UI server. Okay. So I will run the UI in another port and backend is running in 3000 port. Okay. Wait for some times. Okay, it will start and I will open the IMDb. We will bootstrap also here. Yeah, now data is coming. Okay, now data is showing here and there are 10 records displaying in one page. And if I go to the next page, so next page is one record, previous page. And if you want to add some data, so you can add it. Color fan, 1500, color gray. If you want to edit, so you are able to edit data added successfully. And if you go to the home, so go to the next page, so you can able to see here cooler fan you added here. Okay, and if you go to the JSON file, so you will able to show here, you will able to see here cooler fan also added here. Okay? So now today we will add some more buttons for edit and delete. So first we need to add one more column here for action. Okay, so go to the code, where is the code? In the table code. Okay, so article home.js, inside the home.js mat table. Okay, mat table data there. So first we need to add two button, one more column, that is called action. Need to add another column here. We need to add another column here, that is called action. And field name, leave it. Field name we don't need as of now. Save it. and refresh the page. Refresh the page. Go to the console. I think there are some errors. It's not running. Okay. It's loading. Yeah, more column displaying here. Okay, bit. Okay, we need to add more two buttons. We need to add more two buttons. And we need to edit the table here. Okay, we need to make the editable table. So search the table here, data table. That is the data my data table. Okay, my data table library. Go to the my data table library. Here we need to add checkbox, not action here. Sorry, no need to add here action column here. We need to add one more button. Okay, one more button for making the table. First select the row, whatever row you want to edit. Okay, just like first I will search like this. We need to add like this checkbox. Okay, we need to add like this checkbox, like this, with multiple checkboxes. So go to the code, go to the code, and how it looks like. Go to the down. What attribute we need to add here? My data table, entire option, manage mount data, checkbox, like this. This attribute we need to add inside the my table library. Okay, and body checked, get value, and get value all checkbox, multiple checkboxes. Three, three, three attribute we need also added here. Three attribute we need to add here. Okay, and we need to create two method here. We need to create two method. First method is const get row value. If user select the row, so first we need to get row value. First we need to get row value. Okay, and paste here like this, and send event here. Send the event. Send the event first. Okay, and second method we need to create const get all value. Get all value. If you select multiple all value, so you will get all records like this. We need to make another function and put here, put here, put here, and send event also, whatever event we need. Okay, and console log. Put the console log first. Console.log, console.log, whatever event you will get. First event, first print it. First print it. Okay, go to the UI. Go to the UI. Refresh the page. What is the error coming? There are some errors. Warning received true. Attribute checkbox. Okay, we need to make checkbox equal to, we need to checkbox equal to true. First remove first error. We need to remove first error. Refresh it. Refresh it. Get value checkbox props DOM element. If you intentionally want to appear in the DOM as a custom attribute, spell it lowercase. Get value checkbox instead of get value checkbox. Okay. I think there are some error. We need to check it first. We need to check it first. So log 2. We need to check it. Get checkbox over page mount data table checkbox and head checkbox ID. Okay, we need to add two more attribute here. We need to add two more attribute here. That is the unique ID. That is the unique ID. So we will make it as a product one like this and ID one like this. Okay, save it and go to the UI. Need to refresh. We need to refresh it. I think same error coming. We need to remove the error. First, we need to fix the error. Okay, so there are some issue with table. So I will add manually here. Okay, I will add manually here. So first we need to destructure it. First we need to append input field here. We need to append checkbox. Okay, so we need to append one checkbox on each row. Okay, so first we need to make as a name here action and action, and we don't need to sort it. Okay, and we need to make width as a 50 pixel. Okay, so I already appended here one column, appended the one column, and here also whatever data coming through API, so we need to append here also. We need to append here also. So destructure it const new data equal to whatever result coming from the backend, this one result dot data. Okay, and again we need to make map method here, map data and index number. So whatever data coming inside the data, we need to append what we need to append action. We need to append action. Action equal to one input field. One input field we need to append it. Input type is checkbox. Type checkbox. Close it and create here one function. Create one function here on change. What is the function name? Handle get row data. Handle get row data. Handle get row data. Create as a callback like this. Create callback like this and send event and data. What this data? This data we need to send it. This data we need to send it from here to here. Here we need to create a method same name. If I'm sending event and data. So first I will show you console.log. I will show you first. I will show you data and second console.log. I will show you event dot target dot check. It is checked or not. Okay. I will show you. Go to the UI. Refresh the page. To see one action displaying here. Okay. One action displaying here and one action displaying here. Go to the inspect. And console. Click on console.log. I will click on the first row. So as you can see, the first data coming, mobile price 9,000, and it's true because you already checked, right? So we need to edit it. Okay. When you click on the row, so the same data redirect to the here. Same data populated here. We need to populate the same data in this field. Okay. So how we can achieve all those things? How we can achieve? So first we need to redirect home page, we need to redirect add field and populated the data here. Okay. So in that case, how to pass data? How to pass data one page to another page? First, I will redirect the page one page to another page. Okay. Here I use the link. First redirect. Okay. Go to the home page. First go to the home page and here click here in this page and make one button here in the top. We need to make one button, edit button. We need to make one edit button in the top, in the bottom here. Create one div here, one div, create two button. Okay, create two button. First button is edit. First button is edit. Second button is delete. We need to create two button here. First button is edit. Class name. Add class name here. btn icon btn. Primary. Same color. Same class name apply here. So change this one danger. Danger. Save it. And yeah, button is displaying here. When you select this one and click the edit button, so we need to redirect to edit page. Okay. On click, add on click, handle edit, handle edit data. Okay. Handle edit data. Define the method here. Const. Const. Okay. And here we don't need to write here also. First create one state, because whatever you data selected, so same data selected data we need to set in inside the state. Selected data we need to set inside the state. Initially selected data is empty. Selected data and set selected data and set selected data. Okay. Initially selected data is empty. When you click on the row, so you can set selected data as a selected data, whatever the data you will get. And create one another state here. Create another state here. In state each edit. First it is false. First it is false. Each edit and set each edit. Okay. Initially it is a false. If you get that if you click on the row, so we need to set as a event dot target dot check. If it is checked, it's written true. If it is not checked, it's written false. So based on this, we need to button enable and disable. Okay, we need to make a button enable and disable both. So here provide one attribute disabled. This one. Both button we need to apply this condition. We need to apply both condition here. Edit button and inside the delete button, because edit and delete work based on the selection. Okay. Handle delete. So it should like this. I will show you. It is here you can make the opposite. You can add not here. You can add not here. And you can see both button are disabled. Both button are disabled. Once you select any one, so as you can see it is enabled. Okay. So when you click on edit button, so we need to redirect into the add page. Okay. When you click on the edit button, so we need to redirect. We need to redirect one page to another page. We need to redirect it. Okay. We need to redirect one page to another page. So how we can achieve that? In the app.js, as you can see here, also route. So use the link here. We need to put here add route. Press the page. If you click on this and edit button, it's not redirect. Select first row. It's not redirecting because directing. Okay. Okay. So we need to make history.push. We need to create one folder here. We need to create one folder here. Not file. Not file. We need to create one folder called utils. Utils. Here we need to create one file like history.js. So we need to configure history.push. We need to configure here history in React.js. We need to configure it. How to use history here? We need history is the one library. Okay, that is provided by the React Router DOM. So just we need to import use history into the React Router DOM and configure like this one. Configure like this one. Const export const history equal to use history. Okay, this is the separate file I created, and go to the home.js. Go to the home.js. Import this one history. Where we need to import inside the utils folder //. Go to the outside. Go to the utils /history. Here we need to import history. We need to import history, and history provide me to redirect to one page to another page. When you click on the edit button, so history.push there we need to push /route. Okay, so go to the UI. What is the error? Use history imported as a use history was not found. Okay, use history was not found. Here router down. Use history was not found. Okay, just a minute. Search it why it's giving error. Use history not found. Inside a React router down. Okay. So you can use the navigate, not history here. We need to use navigate. Use navigate because I think it's I think it's not working in the latest version, so you can use navigate. Navigation are coming in the latest version. uh, React router DOM in the 6th version, it's coming. History not available, it's coming navigation. Okay, it's available navigation only. So you can go to the navigation and just put here, instead of history.push, you can use navigate like this. Use this line, control C, use here to here, use navigate, and we will make this one in the here. Now navigate, comment this code, we don't need, save it, refresh the page. Instead of why it's coming, I already deleted. Same error coming. Give me 1 minute. Just close the server. Close the server and restart again. It's working. Just restart the server. Restart the server again. Some issue in the server. Wait for a few minutes. And in this video, I will add the redux also. I will add the redux also. Okay. So based on the redux, we will navigate the data one component to another component. So as you can see, if you select this one and click on edit, so you will you already navigated to uh, add page. Okay, but here data not showing. Whatever data you set inside the state, so data not showing here, right? So we need to add here, we need to add some redux, we need to add redux in this project. Then you will get the data one component to another component, because add record, because add record not child component to, not connected to the home.js. Inside the home.js not connected, right? So how you can pass the data, how you can pass the data home.js to add records, add records component. So we don't able, we are not able to we are not able to directly pass the data to home.js to add record component, right? So in that case we need to use redux in our project. So let's add one folder here, that is called redux, and here also we need to add one file that is called we need to add one file here. Just a minute, I will show you. I will complete fast, little bit fast. Redux. I will open the Redux document, React Redux, document. And first we need to check Redux installed or not in this application. Redux not installed. So we need to install first. Getting started, we will follow the document. So here npm install React Redux. Open the terminal. Not here. Just close the server first. Just close the server. We need to add some library. Npm install React Redux. Hit the command and install React Redux. Latest version React Redux. Okay. React Redux. Getting started. And we need to install also React Redux toolkit. Yeah. We need to install another library at the rate Redux.js toolkit. Okay. First create one store file. Remove this one. As of now we don't require. Okay. Inside the Redux, first create one store file, store.js. Okay. Follow the document. First import the store. Import the store. Create a store inside the React Redux library. Okay. Configure store from here to here. Okay. Create one store file and import this one. Import configure store. Create slash not required. And here export const store equal to configure store like this. Configure store and here also we need to add counter slice not counter slice. Like that. Here reducer equal to whatever the redux we will import here. Okay. But as of now we didn't create a reducer here. So here create one file. We need to create one folder here that is called feature. And inside the feature we will create one reducer file that is called edit data slice dot js. Okay. And we need to create const edit data slice equal to edit data slice and import this one also. Create slice. We need to import create slice here because we need to create some reducer file, reducer and action. So create slice inside the create slice name. What is the name? Edit data. Right. That is the name. and initial state initial state is initial state is data. Initial state is empty object. Okay, empty object. When you send the data, then it will set. Okay, and reducers 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 reducer edit product, and that is the state, and second parameter is action. Okay, okay, like this. That is the, and we need to export 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 default edit slash dot edit slash dot reducer edit slash dot reducer. We already exported here, and also we need to export default editable slice dot actions we need to export. What we need to export here? Not like that. Just minute. Okay. Export default slice, and here export. What is the export? Edit product. Here we need to export it. Export equal to and export const like this. Okay. Here I am exporting our reducer and action. Exported reducer and action here, and just go to the store, import here, import edit reducer from where dot slash feature inside this one, and assign here. Okay, and go to the app.js, import the store here, import something from where inside the React Redux. Provider. We need to wrap app.js. We need to wrap inside the provider. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Yes, React hyphen redux. It will provide me the provider. So I will wrap whole our component, not here, inside the index.js. We need to import this one and wrap the whole our component app.js. Wrap this one inside the provider component, and provider will provide to access the store. Okay, store equal to store. Import the store. Import store. We already created export. Okay, here import here dot slash inside the redux store some exported, what exported, stored and assigned here also. Okay. So our redux completed here. Close all these things. So here we need to dispatch some data. We need to dispatch some action with payload. When user click on the handle edit button. Okay. So we need to import something like some hooks, redux hooks from where React Redux. React Redux will provide me use selector and use dispatch. First we need to add this use dispatch, and here they structure it dispatch equal to dispatch. Okay. So first, and import the action also. Because we need to dispatch some action also. Dot slash current directory, out of current directory, feature, insert the feature, the table slice, and what we need to edit product. Okay. And we need to dispatch when user click on this button. So we need to dispatch. What we need to dispatch? Dispatch edit product. Inside edit product, we need to send selected data. Okay. We need to send selected data. And after that, uh, I will I will come I will come to here, come to add records, import here, import something. We need to import some hooks. React Redux will provide me a use selector, like use selector. That is called use selector. And I already make a video in over the redux, complete redux. So watch my playlist, that is called React Redux. Playlist name is React Redux. So you can watch all these things. I already explained over here. Use selector. Here I'm getting some state from our store to our component const. Selector. Use selector. Use selector. Use selector will return some state. I'm consoling here. What we need to console here? Because you already created edit data. That is name edit data. I will show you. First, I'm putting here one console.log state. I'm making it name state and edit data. I will show you. Okay. Go to the UI. First, go to our home page. Okay. I think server not running. Go to the console. Here is npm start. First, start the server. Start the server. It will take some time. Wait for 3 minutes. I hope you guys understand what I am explaining here. If you not understand properly, so watch my previous video first, then you will get proper understanding over here. Okay. Go to the inspect, go to the console. First, click on this one and click on edit button. So now you will get state and define. Okay. state and define. First put the console log here. Console.log state state. Click on the edit button. Yeah, state dot data. State dot data. So put here state dot data. State dot data. Again, we need to check it. Click on edit button and now okay. Here I'm not writing logic here. Okay. So first we need to write some logic state dot data. We need to write some logic here. State. We need to write some logic for setting the state. State dot data equal to xn dot payload. Xn dot payload. Then you will get the proper data. Okay. Here click on this one and edit. Again, we not getting proper data. Dot payload and remove the data. Remove the data here. First we need to check why it's not coming. It's not coming. Why? Because type edit data slash edit product. That is the action type. Okay. Edit data. What is the action type? Edit data and edit data slash edit product. Okay. Action is correct. Insert state data. Action dot payload. And, come over here. Console.log. Console.log. Here I'm putting state as a console. Here, console. I'm putting one console here. Click here. Click on edit. State dot data. I'm getting here state dot data. Some error are coming. Structure edit data. Something is missing here. Now remove this one. We don't need to destructure. We don't need to destructure this one. Select the data. Select the data and click on edit button. Now you will get proper data. Okay. Now you will get the data. Okay. Same data we need to populate here. Okay. Same data we need to populate here inside the edit data. Edit data coming as a object. Edit data coming as a object. So here also we need to dispatch another action also. Here we need to dispatch another action. Edit data here is edit flag. I want one flag. I want one flag also here. I want one flag here. Each edit. Each edit by default it's coming false. Okay. And here also state and one action, one action, one action. Edit flag. So here we need to set state dot edit equal to action dot payload. Action dot payload. Edit flag also we need to insert reducer. We need to use multiple reducer. State. Sorry. I think some mistake here. Sorry, it's my bad. Okay, edit flag also dispatch here, and same thing we need to dispatch here. Same thing we need to dispatch the flag also. Edit I already imported, and go to the home.js. Go to the home.js. Edit detection and flag also we need to dispatch. Flag also we need to dispatch flag. And what is the eject? What is the initial flag? Eject. After that, I will get here is edit flag use selector, same thing copy, and paste here. And now what we need to paste here is edit. Okay. Edit we need to paste here. So now I will get edit also here. Okay. So based on this, here we need to make one condition. If edit I will get true, then what need to be display here? We need to display edit data dot name. Otherwise, I will display this. So same thing. I will paste inside the value. If edit we will get true, then we will populate based on this data. Okay, based on this, based on this, I will populate. So I hope you guys understand. And next video I will integrate the API. Okay, today I will show you only those functionality whatever I explaining here. If you click this on mobile, this is a cellular phone, 9,000 is the price and red color. If you click on edit, so same data populated here. Okay, same data populated here. And if you change some data, and we need to update button here. As of now, it's on submit. So just change the update here. another button. Another button. Handle update. Uh, Here also and the name handle update and create one method here. I will integrate the API on the next video. Just I will show you and create one condition. If is it true, here create one condition. If is it true, then what's need to be display update button, and if is it false, we need to display reach button submit. We need to display this one. Okay? We need to display this one. I will show you in the output. See, now it's showing the update button. So guys, we will meet on the next video.